Hey everyone, Gert here from Bimsmith. In this how-to we'll be looking at setting up our grids as well as setting up our project levels for greater accuracy in projecting our project model. Alright, to start off we're going to go to the Models tab and open a project by clicking on Open. We'll then navigate to where our project has been saved. I'm just going to select the project over here and select Open. As you can see, it is the project that we started on previously where we imported the PDF. So what we're going to do now is just add our grids to this. Now to do this, I'm just going to navigate to the level 0. I'm then going to just double click on my mouse. First, I'm just going to activate the crop region. As you can see, it's placed skew on the view. So I'm just going to select it, double click on it, and then delete it. Then I'm going to draw a brand new rectangle. So I only crop the area of interest. Press enter. Press the tick mark and reactivate the crop mark. Alright, as you can see, we now have everything highlighted. I was going to turn off the elevation markers by selecting them and going to hide category. As you can see, it's now turned off all of them. And also I just want to turn off the grid or the crop region. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is just type in GR, or we can navigate to the architecture tab to datum and then select the grids to be placed. I'm just going to go back to the modify and select the pick line. I'm then going to select the line over here, change it, change this one to 1, extend it all the way out to the side. I was going to click on edit and activate both of the symbols, clicking apply, and as you can see, we then have number 1 over there. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is just copy this by selecting CO or just selecting the copy function. I'm then just going to select the grid line that I want to copy and place it at the desired locations. And I'm going to have to need one over here. Just want to press escape, reactivate the copy command, copy it from there to there, and then just another one CO from there to there. Alright, so I'm just going to select all of them, type in MV for move. You can also select the move in the modify tab over here. I'm just going to move them at a distance of 115 millimeters as the walls were projected as 230 millimeters. So I'm just going to reselect them, MV 115, and there we have our grids in the center of the wall. Alright, the next one we're going to do is another grid, so I'm just going to press GR on my keyboard once again, select the pick line function, and then just select the line over here, press escape a couple of times. Just want to mark this one as A, capital letter preferably, and then just drag it out to the end over here, and the same as with this one. I'm then just going to copy this to the main load bearing walls once again, selecting it to be over there, selecting it to be over there. I'm going to select it over there, and then the final one is CO, which will then be placed over here. Alright, so now that I have all of those, I can once again just select. Let's filter, just double check that we only have the grid selected, click OK, MV, and I'm going to move them up with a distance of 115 as it was dictated that the walls are 230 millimeters thick. Press enter, and there we have our grid marks in position. You can now manipulate them as required, but yeah, now you can use them to project your main outline of your building. Alright, so next what we're going to do is just double check the levels. To do that, I'm going to go to the north elevation. I was going to select one of these grids and just expand them all the way past the grids. Maybe do this side as well, just pull it in a little bit. Alright, and then I'm just going to select the dimension over here, select equals. I'm going to go with a ceiling height of 2650 and then add the slab thickness as well of 250 millimeters. Which will give me a total height of 2.9 meters. I'm just going to give it a dimension and lock this dimension. I then just want to copy one CO spacebar from there to there at 100 millimeters. This will then be the natural ground level, NGL. I'm going to copy it once again, selecting from there to there. I'm going to copy it at a distance of equals 5 times 85, so it's 5 times a single brick course being 85 millimeters. Alright, so then I'm going to press enter. That will then give me a new level. I'm also just going to select this, add some dimensions over here and select the dimensions to be locked. What I'm going to do next is just go to my first floor level or ground floor level, just extract that to be more visible. Level 0, I'm just going to call this my ground floor. Enter. Yes, I would like to rename the corresponding view. Selecting it once again, just making it look more appealing. Now I'm just going to go to the base one, which is going to be the top of foundation. I just want to snip this one as well, drag it out to a more revealed location, and then I'm going to change this to TO footing. So this will be my top of footing or top of foundation. Alright, then I'm just going to call this one my first floor. First floor, enter. And then the last one that I want to do is just select this one, CO spacebar, copy that and place that in position. And then I'll just call this the bottom of ceiling. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to keep in touch with the latest from BIMsmith. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comments box below. Have a good day.